going on, you guys? Country Slicker here. We're gonna go out for a rip in the side-by-sides today. We just got the bike back and we got the new transmission installed, so we're super excited to get out and throw some miles on it. Big shout out to Ralph's Motorsports for getting us up and running in under a month. You guys are awesome. And of course Cowie took care of the new transmission, so always good. I love it when a company stands behind their product. So we're gonna get out onto the trails, rip some good spots, hopefully find some good views. So stay with us. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We appreciate the support, and we'll be right back after this quick introduction. Grabbing my bear spray. We are way out here. We need to be on that side. Unfortunately, we were going down a trail, exploring. Trail fix. Good. Yeah, good. Rim exploded. Look at this. In business. Minus a shock. At this time, we'd like to give a shout out to our sponsors for making this YouTube channel possible. That's crab walking today.
Make him poo his pants.
What's that?
Did he poo his pants?
Almost. So we're running a trail that has zero cut to it, so we're gonna have to throw the lockers on and do a little bit of driver stuff here. Yeah, a little bit of love tap on that. With studs, he should be good though. Nice.
tires and the studs, man.
Yeah. Well, that didn't work. That panel's
They
pretty
blow
good
me
to crush
away
too.
every time.
Woo! Not good. We're crushed pretty good against that panel here. Yeah, that's where we tried to come up. Oh, no good. We're a little bit wedged. Okay. So let's see how Jack does on this. Obviously, I was all over the place, so we'll see how he does. He's gonna give it the skinny pedal, I'm sure. He's also studded, so hopefully that gets him some grip. Oh yeah, no problem. No problem. Four low and go. Like nothing. Just ripping along the trail and we saw these cougar tracks. Look at how big these things are. Massive.
Are we gonna come out right at the river or on the road?
We got this nice steep off-camber garbage right here, so hopefully he can set a really nice track for me and I can make it up this, but this looks greasy, so we'll see what happens. See what he can do. Nicely done. Woohoo! Made it. Thanks, Matt. Appreciate that.
Absolutely, buddy.
Good times. We just got stuck again down there, winching. Whew, some studs would have been good today, I think. But upwards and onwards. That's a kill for something. Must be a deer. Looks like a deer. Yeah. Lots and lots of wolf tracks around here. That's obviously wolf for sure.
No wolves this far in though, I thought.
Oh, for sure. Well, you can see the main kill sites right up there. Yeah. Right there. Yeah, they had their fun with it for sure. That's the... I'd say this was the main kill site right here. They caught it in here. That's crazy. Yeah, they just ripped it to pieces. You can see all the fur here. So I guess there's a pack of wolves out at McLean. Took care of that. Uh-oh. Looks like Jack's stuck up there, eh? Uh-oh.
It's buried.
Is it buried?
Guessing this is not the trail. It's the fucking creek.
Over to the side maybe, yeah. Woo! Oh yeah, that's a good one.
It's hot in here.
Is it getting hot? Yeah. My heart bleeds for you, buddy. Nice.
Can you still see my winch?
Yo, yeah. Do you want a winch or do you want me to pull you backwards?
That's the trail there, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
No?
Yeah, it is.
All right, pull me. Winch me up about 5 feet up on that tree there.
Sure.
We've tried the bigger one back there.
Yeah. Just watch out, dude.
Yeah, I'm going to unwind it.
Yeah. It's loose now. Just watch that tree is all I'm saying. Yeah, try that.
Go up high on it though.
Nice and high. Try and get some leverage. You're good there. Yeah, like you're pulling against the bank, right? Might be easier if I pull you backwards. Oh, there you go. Well, you're pulling for sure. Just you're kind of pulling into the bank, you know. Oh, there, let go. Okay, that's not good. Let me winch you backwards. I'll hook on. Okay, so we're down a wire cable. So now we're gonna try pulling him backwards, and we'll see how that goes. Looks like I got a little carrier along with me there. That's a nice one. Good thing that didn't come through anywhere it shouldn't. Try and pull this out anyways. We were recovered and now we're headed down the trail, and I'm gonna lead since I've got a winch now. You can see, well, I don't know if you can see, I'll get up there and show you the hole he was buried in. Yeah, that's a good hole for sure. Yeah, you were trying to climb to the moon there. Still breaking trail. Very nice. Very nice. Right? Thought we weren't going skiing today. Yeah. All right, so we made it to the end of that trail. Now it's time to get some food in us. We haven't had lunch yet, so we're gonna start up a fire. Little fire lunch, cook some wieners. For the last half of the trail, it takes us up to a lookout called Quirk Ridge, where you can see over the whole valley and overlook through into Elbow River. While this section of the trail isn't the most technical, it is a really pretty drive up. And even on an ATV, side-by-side, dirt bike, or even a truck, it's well worth the while to come out to the backside of McLean Creek to try. One thing that I failed to mention is this was Matt's first time ever riding in a side-by-side, let alone driving one. For his first time out, we figured we had better show him the view at the very top. This is what he got to see at the end of the trail. we just got to the top of Cork Ridge. That view, look at that. Unbelievable, unbelievable. So good. All right, you guys, we just got back from our ride out. Obviously, we had a big day out, fun day. We saw lots, you know, we had a couple good stucks, couple times ripping off trail. We got to do some super fast-paced riding through some tighter trees, which was super fun. And obviously, we saw some cougar tracks and we saw a wolf kill. So definitely a fun-packed day, a lot of fun. If you guys are still with us, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate the support. And we will see you guys on the next adventure, all right? Until then, I'm out of here. Country Slicker out. Until next time. Peace, guys.